Jarvis. All set up, computer's all done. Get the Arc Reactor in there. And welcome to Jarvis. Hello, Jarvis.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
As you wish, sir. I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
You're funny.
Not as funny as you, sir.
What's the weather like?
Here you go. The weather in Hillside is clear at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a humidity of 73 and a wind speed of 4 miles per hour.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome. Not as funny as you, sir.
It's a little blurry right now. Run system analysis.
Initiating scan. Processing now, sir. Completed.
Thank you, Jarvis.
How can I assist you, sir?
Open blueprints.
Anytime, sir. Anytime, sir.
Open blueprints.
Working on another project, sir.
Probably.
Are you going to need assistance?
Not now. Goodbye, Jarvis.
Here am I. Not as funny as you, sir.
Goodbye, Jarvis.
How may I be of assistance?
I said goodbye. Goodbye, Jarvis. Anyway, still working on a couple of things there.
Cool beans. Listening disabled.
Goodbye.